is one of my favorite trucks. Woo! If you could make a monster truck lowrider, that's what it looks like. Just a little sideways so it gives him a cool tilt when he's in the air. Kelvin Raymer is the driver behind the wheel. If you look real close, you can see a picture of what the Ultraman used to look like in the grill. He's got a every time, give it up for Time for Life! Judges, give it to me. I got a 9, I got an 8, I got a 9, and I got a 10. A 9, an 8, a 9, and a 10. Alright, we get the score and tally it up. 36 points. Are you guys ready for the big dog? I said, are you ready for the big dog? Here he comes! Make some noise, you guys. It's a former world champion. But in our world, once you're a world champion, you're always a world champion. This man is the bomb. I call him JC, the show savior. Always comes out and puts on a good show. This man is serious. He's got 3 engineering degrees, a pilot license, and he's a professional bodybuilder. This man is the bomb. And you'll see why here in just a second. I want you guys to make some noise for the Bounty Hunter! That's right, that's right! Get those cameras ready. Get that smartphone out. Get your links to YouTube ready. You're gonna want to film this bad boy. Here he comes. See, this is his thing. He wants you guys to pump him up so that he can come out here with all his adrenaline rushing. So make some noise as he comes around. Woo! You guys are gonna get to see why he's the best. He's gonna come out here, never ever hit reverse, one of the biggest taboos in freestyle monster trucks, and he will hit every single obstacle. And it was what makes him the best. This is another one of those nice industry bodies. I'm gonna shut up and let him do his thing. Go ahead, Bounty Hunter! Woo! Almost never slows down. Check him out, kicking up a cloud of dust in every movement. see him in that cloud of dust. He's got